Newton's law of cooling or warming states that the rate of change of the temperature of a body is proportional to the difference between the body temperature and the surrounding temperature.
Dini, let's go to the venue. Let's go. Sis, can I have one cake batik, please?
Of course, why not? But this cake batik not cool yet because I just put it in the freezer.
Wait, don't you like cake batik when it is frozen?
You are right, Hanan. So how long do we wait until it froze?
Let us think.
It is assumed that the temperature of the cake batik is at 16 degrees Celsius. It is placed in the freezer at 1:30 p.m. The temperature of the freezer is maintained at -5 degrees Celsius. At 3 p.m., the vendor worker took out the cake batik and the temperature has dropped to 6 degrees Celsius. Determine the time the cake batik will be frozen at 0 degrees Celsius.
This question is solved using Newton's law of cooling, which explains how an object cools down when it is placed in a cooler environment. It states that the rate at which the temperature change depends on the difference between the object's temperature and the surrounding temperature. In this problem, the surrounding temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. At the beginning, the object's temperature is 16 degrees Celsius and after 1.5 minutes, its temperature drops to 6 degrees Celsius. First, we use the Newton's law of cooling formula, which gives a general temperature equation. This equation shows that the temperature decreases exponentially over time. Next, we substitute the initial temperature at time 0 to find the first constant in the equation. After that, we use the temperature at 1.5 minutes to calculate the cooling constant, which tells us how fast the object is cooling. The value of this constant is negative, showing that the temperature is decreasing.
After we find the K value, we substitute into formula and then we get the temperature of cake batik at time t is 21 exponent to the power of -0.4311t minus 5. Next step, we will find the time where the cake batik is froze to 0 degrees Celsius. First, the equation of temperature is equal to 0. Then use the algebra and we will get T equal to 3.329. The answer is in hours, so we calculate 2 minutes and we get 20 minutes and 40 seconds. Lastly, the cake batik will froze into 0 degrees Celsius at 4:50 p.m.
You guys can come back later.
Okay. conclusion, it shows how simple calculation can help us estimate how long cake batik needs to be frozen. By looking at the factors like the temperature and the size of the cake, we can avoid freezing it for too long or too short. It makes the process easier and help us to get better result every time. Overall, the calculations are useful in everyday food preparation, even for something as simple as making cake batik.
Can I have one cake batik, please?
Aku tadi. Ya ke aku tengok sana. Tak apa.
Yes, of course, why not? But this cake.
Pasal ni nak tengok ke tak?
Can come back later.